Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty Group.
We are going to another episode of the Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us here today. We're going to...
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to their destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello everyone, Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today, my favorite day of the week, Market Report Wednesday. So we can see the market's always moving, closings happen every day, but we really want to dig in and show transparency on what the market's doing here in our local area, in the 3Rivers area, Fort Wayne and surrounding areas. And the market is pretty hot. Saw a little slowdown on the days on the market. Seeing highest number this year in active available listings, highest number in new listings. Sold we're down a little bit, but pending we're up higher than the sold we're down. So it still looks like we're doing pretty good. We've got strong buyer demand. We've still got about 4.5 buyers per listing. So we're still low inventory, just over a month's supply right now. Active available listings came in 486 homes, which is active for sale homes on the market that you can go out and see and put offers in on. We're up 4% week over week, up 34% year over year. New listings are new that just came on the market within the last 7 days. Available for sale, we're up 8% week over week, up 11% year over year. Solds came in down 10% week over week, down 14% year over year. Pendings came in up 16% week over week, up 3% year over year. And pendings are the ones that we say are under contract or in escrow because there's an accepted offer on the home. Median sale price came in at $267,850, showing appreciation of 15% based off that number year over year from last year. Days on market, we did see slow down a little bit to 31 average, 7 median, versus last year too, it was 16 and 6 median. So the median's up a little bit over last year, and we've seen a little slower, but that's still a fast market historically. Solds came in at 4,335 over the last 12 months, showing only down 6.9%. And like I said, we have to have a healthy inventory, we need about 6 months or 2,167 and a half homes to have a start to get a balanced inventory. And that number showing 486 available. We've got about 4.5 buyers per listing. And that is your market report in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything at all. Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and support us. And everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.